Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 41 of the Crossword Collage hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Designs. The hashtag for that is 2023 CW Collage. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, I enjoy this collage. The only requirement is a crossword. You can write whatever you want to in there and decorate it however you want to do. So I enjoy that. So since Sunday is Easter, I'm doing an Easter one. So I've got these cute little vintage bunnies. So I think I'm going to lay that around, and I think I'm going to go ahead and glue this down. Now I'm not inking so much on this one since it's bright and happy Easter. I may change my mind. You can't ever tell about me because it is vintage bunnies, but right now I think I'm just going with a uninked look. Alright, so, and I'm going to go ahead and put down my label. I hope everybody's doing great. We're doing pretty good. We got a lot of rain yesterday, but the sun is shining today. And we're supposed to have warmer weather, so that's nice. Okay, I've got this little, I thought that was cute, the little bunnies in the car. And I've got some flowers to decorate. And my friend Barbie on her Rolodex video mentioned the butterfly and Christianity, about the symbolism of the resurrection and rebirth. So I'm adding butterflies because I think that's very appropriate. Okay, let's see. I want to add that. Let's see what else I want to do. I'm not sure. That's cute. We'll see. Make it all of these that I know I want down. Okay, I like that. So now I want to add some butterflies around, and I had this pretty paper that I had gotten when I thrifted that holder that had all the papers in it. Let's see. I like that. That's cute. Let's see. Tuck in some flowers maybe. Tulips are some of my favorite. I think I'm just going to go with the tulips right now. I've got these stickers I may end up using. So I think I'm going to go ahead and start putting some of this down. Okay. I am almost through with my Jana de Leon book. I haven't really had much time to read. I've been getting up and been real busy. Butterflies down. My husband and I are still watching Bones. We just started season 9. Well, fixing to start season 9. See, Easter, like I said, is Sunday. And I mentioned in one of my other videos I don't have a lot to do. We'll cook a ham. I miss when my boys were little and the Easter egg hunts and such. I think they need to get married and give me some grandchildren. If the Lord brings the right person into their life. Okay. And I'm definitely going to do splatters. I know that my friend Big Mama Sandy Moore will be so relieved. She has nicknamed me Splatters. And I love it. I do need to trim out that white there. I like splatters. They make me happy. Especially on these type of collages. And just as my friend Cheryl at Ink Pulp says, it just brings a little something something to it. All right. That helps some. Now, I'll add that to the top there. And these images came from the Digital Collage Club. Are making and creating now. Okay. Oops, didn't get it over far enough. I think they are adorable images. And I've got Happy Easter right there. And I don't should put that little one there. There we go. I think I got almost everything down, and I am going to go around with those other stickers. Okay. Now, before I do that, I'm going to draw in their antenna. So much easier than cutting them out. my son. Sweetheart. I like how that looks. I like the little bit of gold that this gives. If I can get the sticker off. There we go. Let's see what other pretty flowers we can find. I like that. These are very pretty stickers. I just kind of wish that they were already cut. Although, you know, you can make it bigger, which is a good thing. But it would just be a little easier. And it wouldn't have that edge. Okay, now that there has to be an easier way to do this. Because these are stuck down good, especially once you cut them. There we go. This is going to be a happy mishmash page, but that's okay. Happy's good. Get rid of those edges. And I don't care for the shine on the outside, but I love the gold. And it's just when the light hits it that you see it. Oh, yeah. This make me think of Lily of the Valley, which is my birth flower. There we go. Maybe something right there. See what else we have. Oh, the tulips. that, I'll do my splatters, and I think I'll be done. Alright, let me get this right quick. Hopefully I have enough water. And I may just stick with the gold this time. I love the spring feel of this. Alright, well, I'm going to say that's done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel at Nellie and Ruth Designs, and check out the hashtag 2023 CW Collage to see what everyone else has made. Y'all have a great and wonderful day, and until next time, bye y'all.